Good morning, children. Now, next ascending order. Ascending the order is over. Next, arrange in a descending order. Now, this given Roman numeral numbers, you will convert into Hindu Arabic numeral sum first. Now, x before I coming. So here doing big number mundu small వచ్చింది కాబట్టి here doing subtraction. So 10 minus 1. x4 10, i4 1. So here x before coming I. So here doing subtraction. 10 minus 1 you get 9. Next x l v I. Again L4 big, L4 50, x4 10. So L is the big one and x is the small one. L before coming here small. So here doing also subtraction. So L4 50 minus x4 10. Now plus V4 5, I4 1 plus I4 1. So 50 minus 10 you get 40. Plus 5 plus 6, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7. So 40 plus 7 47. Now next again x plus 10, again x plus 10. Now we 4 5 1 plus 1 plus 1. Now tell me children, 10 20 25 26 27 28. Next number is what? 28. Okay. Now next one more, x I. These are all coming after numbers. So big after coming small. So here doing additions. Now 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Got it? This as a keep in your mind. Big number after coming smalls you do addition. Big number before coming small numbers you do subtraction. So 10 plus 1 11 12 13. Now what is our number sum? 9 47. Now 28 and 13. These numbers you will arrange in a descending order. Descending order means small to big or big to small. Descending order means big to small. Big number to small number. Got it, Amma? Big number to small number. Now here, what is the big number first? 9, 47, 28, 13. 47 is the big one. Now greater than. Next to 28. Now greater than. 13 greater than none. Now for you will write these numbers related Roman numerals. Now 47 related x l v I greater than. 28 related. Where is this 28? No, this one. X v I. Next to 13. X I greater than ix. Okay. Copy it, Amma. Okay, next one. V I. So V is the big number, I is the small number. So big after coming small. So here doing addition. So V plus Y. So means 5 plus 1. You get 6. 5 plus 1 is a 6. Next one, x v I. So all are big number after coming smalls. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1. Now 10 plus 10 20, 20 plus 10 30, 35, 36. Okay. Now next X, L, B, I. Now XL. L is the big one. L for 40. L is big number. X for 10. So again in previous class I said XL for 40. That is keep in your mind. XL for 40. This is kept in your mind. Now 40 plus V4 5 1. Now 40, 45, 46. Next one more X, XL. Now 10 plus 1, 20, 21. Now what is our number summa? 6, 36, now 46 and 21. These are right in descending order. Descending order means big number to small number. We are arranging big to small. Now tell me children, so what is the big number? 46. Now greater than, next 36. Now greater than 21, greater than 6. Now you will write related Roman numeral numbers. 46 is related XLDI. Now greater than, next 36 is related. Where is the 36? Okay, next 21 related. Next 6. Okay ma? Please copy it. Next I will give homework. Next bit homework amma. Okay, you will do these two problems amma. Now still one more bit is there in chapter. I will explain in next class amma. We'll do these two problems and post it. Okay. Thank you amma.